I don't know what we would do without it at this point, at the size company that we're at. We live and die by it.
Once we were using Estimate and using Track, the next step we wanted to focus on was how to better maintain our equipment.
That all comes back to preventative maintenance and downtime and saving money. Foremen or superintendents input all the mileage and hours off the equipment, which will activate work requests. Every morning when I come in, I go on, I click on dashboard, I kind of see where I'm at for work orders, outstanding, completed. It kind of gives you a quick synopsis of what you got going on each day. The Maintain system, it tells us when it's time to do our preventative maintenance. If they have a breakdown on a job site, they can fill a repair request out on Track. It goes directly into the Maintain system, and a lot of times they use pictures on that, and I can see exactly what's going on. You can check other work orders in the area, and you can also check other upcoming requests. It does save on travel time for our mechanics.
Repairs are being done more effectively and efficiently.
Now we have it broken down into steps. So everything has a plan of action. Maintain's telling us to do this, this, and this. And while you're at it, it's telling us to check X, Y, and Z. The average company is spending about 15% of their revenue on maintenance costs, and we're at about 8%.
Stay on top of the preventative maintenance, schedule things more efficiently, and less downtime means more productivity on the job.
Everyone in the industry knows if a machine is down, it's bad, it costs thousands of dollars as far as for something that could have been prevented.